everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Yes, we're in the old warehouse because we're moving some stuff today and we're going to show you the process. Do you remember the shoe pallets? Yeah, back in September of 2021. Well, guess what? We still have shoes. So we've been selling them down. We're already in the profit. Paul's going to give you the numbers in the middle of this video, so make sure you stay tuned to check out exactly where we're at on the stats for those. But we're going to be moving all of the shoes from this location to the new store location, and we're going to be inventorying all of that. You're going to get to see the process. Don't worry, it won't take forever because I'm going to speed up the video, but you're going to watch the process of us getting some of the stuff moved down to the new store.
everybody. Heather wanted me to go over the numbers with you real quick. So we purchased the shoe pallet in September of 2021. Started selling the shoes on Hooked on Pickin a day or two later than that, or the last couple of days of September. And we haven't sold a pair of shoes in a while, to be honest with you. So here are some of the numbers that go through that. We purchased 2 pallets for $2,980.57, so almost $3,000. We had 845 pairs of shoes. Now, to some people that sounds like a lot. To some people that doesn't sound like a lot. But those 845 pairs of shoes, man, that was a lot of shoes. That came to $3.52 per pair of shoes. $3.52 a pair of shoes. And we have already profited. We've made our $2,980.57 back. And then we've profited $2,506.81. So I thought that was pretty good. I wrote down some positives and some negatives. If you want to buy shoes, we bought these pallets from B-Stock. Felt comfortable with it. $3.52 for a pair of shoes. That's not too bad. The positives, we made money. When you make $2,500, that's great. But they were slow sellers. So that I guess I'd throw that in the negative column. So we made money. Second positive, it does ship very well. Heather's the master at all things shipping. And United States Postal Service gives you an actual shoebox, which is helpful. And they were low returns, believe it or not. People get kind of freaked out about clothing, but this was low returns. And the negatives, I would say, a large amount of storage it took up, and that they are slow sellers. So that was a little bit difficult with that. Another little bit of a negative is when you buy pallets of shoes, you're going to find that you don't have the pair. That did happen. I think Heather probably showed you as she was going through that. But all around, pretty positive. And we still probably have over 300 pairs of shoes to sell. So, Lord willing, we'll sell some down at the store.
everybody. So this is the area we're going to start with. I'm probably going to change my mind about 20 times on where I want to put everything, because we've got men's shoes, not very many of those. We've got women's shoes, and we've got kids' shoes. And then we're actually going to list all of the shoes by size. I know a lot of people do it by style, but we've got such a variety of different kinds of shoes. We're going to do it by size. So we're going to start here with women's shoes. I thought about maybe putting shoes on the back side, so women's shoes, then maybe kids' shoes. But we have another area that already has shoes, so we may put it over there. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but watch the progress. Okay, so we have got lots of it lined up. We decided to go with women's shoes right here in this section. So we've got basically it by size. This is like 6, 7s basically. Then we've got like 8s here. And then our bigger sizes like 9 through 13 right here. Then we move down to men's shoes, same thing. We've got kind of the smaller sizes on this end, and then it gets larger as you go further down. And then now kids' shoes I did a little different. Because the little baby shoes are smaller, and so I put all size 5, 6, and 7s on the top row. Then we're still in the process of stacking some, which is why you see some gaps, but we've got all of the toddler ones here, and then our youth sizes, which are like the 1 through 6 youth sizes, are down here on this end. We still have a few little bedding items, but we did move most of our bedding to the second row, as you can see there. So it makes our store look a lot fuller, and, you know, some fun things like that. So that's where all of our shoes are basically going to be, this whole entire aisle. I know it's going to be a hot mess of cleaning up before and after each day that we're open, but
we got to add some signage too.
Yeah, we're going to add some signage too. So I think they're going to move fairly quickly. Hopefully we're already in the positive, so everything we make here is totally gravy. So thanks so much for joining us and watching us move all the shoes from one warehouse to the store location and get everything set up.
Saturday, we will try to do a live stream update to see
how many pairs of shoes sold.
Exactly.
Yes. So hopefully, if you're in the neighborhood, come visit. If not, see the update on Saturday. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.